Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to compare two iconic sneaker models, Adidas Samba and Puma Palermo. We will look at their similarities and differences, pros and cons, materials they are made from, prices, and user reviews. Let's get started! Both models have a long history and are classics in the world of sneakers. Adidas Samba and Puma Palermo were originally designed for soccer training but have become popular in street fashion over time. Both pairs of sneakers have a retro design and excellent durability. They easily fit into a casual wardrobe and suit various styles. Now let's talk about the differences. Adidas Samba is known for its low profile and distinctive suede overlay on the toe. They feature the classic three-stripe design and rubber sole. On the other hand, Puma Palermo stands out with a more substantial sole and thick leather upper. Their design is more minimalist compared to Adidas Samba, but they also have their unique aesthetic. Adidas Samba. Pros. Classic design that never goes out of style. Excellent traction due to the rubber sole. Good support and comfort for everyday wear. Cons. Some users find them too snug. May require a break-in period. Puma Palermo. Pros. Comfortable and durable construction. Thicker sole for additional cushioning. Elegant and minimalist design. Cons. Might be less flexible than Samba. Not as popular, which might make them harder to find in stores. Materials. Adidas Samba is typically made from a combination of genuine leather and suede, giving them a classic look and durability. The sole is made of rubber, providing good traction. Puma Palermo is made from high-quality leather, making them sturdy and comfortable. Their sole is also made of rubber, offering excellent cushioning and durability. Price. The price of Adidas Samba usually ranges from $70 to $120, depending on the model and place of purchase. Puma Palermo can be found within the range of $80 to $120. User reviews. Adidas Samba. Positive. Users praise their comfort, style, and durability. Many like their classic design and how they pair well with various outfits. Negative. Some users complain about the initial stiffness and the need for a break-in period. Puma Palermo. Positive. Users appreciate their comfort and style. They like the thicker sole and leather quality. Negative. Some find them less flexible and requiring more break-in time. In conclusion, both models, Adidas Samba and Puma Palermo, have their unique features and benefits. The choice between them depends on your personal preferences in design and comfort. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell to not miss new reviews. Leave a comment on what you think about these sneakers and what other models you'd like to see reviewed. See you soon!